If you're a therapist who wants to add a cognitive somatic technique to use with clients when they're stalled in their progress, I invite you to my 3-hour clinical EFT tapping workshop on Friday, May 17th. In this workshop, you'll learn about clinical EFT tapping, you'll experience it and practice it, and also earn 3 continuing education hours. Because this is an interactive workshop, space will be limited to only 15 people. I can hardly wait to share this technique with you that I've successfully been using for 15 years. I'm confident that you'll find it both educational and enjoyable. If this sparks something in you, please register while there still are some spaces open. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you there.